What's happening, guys? Coast to Coast Studios, your host for Behind the Grams, where we jump into some of the stories, motivation, and inspirations behind some of these artists here in Southern California and all over the nation chasing their dreams. Tonight we have, let's just jump into it and introduce yourself.
Warren West, Instagram, Warren West, producer for B-Flips.
Heck yeah. Phil, he's a good guy. Shout out B-Flips. Dope, let's jump right into Behind the Grams. You know, let's hear your story. What brought you here to where you're at today?
When I was 18, I invested in the recording business, music business. I had a studio in Michigan called Proline Music Group.
Dope.
A couple partners. I think you met one of them, he was on here, his name is Q.
Yeah, Q.
Yeah, that was one of my first business partners along with Alex Barnett.
Dope.
They were my seniors over there. I got rose up through the ranks.
Heck yeah.
Then after that studio, we made some cash, did our thing, business, whatever.
Yeah.
I was a youngster in there. Went to school, got my audio engineer degree, all this other stuff from
Heck yeah.
Masters. And
Where'd you go to school?
Sound Masters.
Heck yeah.
In LA. So it's LA.
Dope.
And yeah, man. And then I've been on the music match the whole time, producing different artists.
Just hustling, chasing your dream.
Exactly.
That's dope. How'd you meet B-Flips?
B-Flips, that's a long time homie.
Yeah.
We grew up together.
Shout out B-Flips.
Yeah, he was on the mix at the first studios, you know, Proline, all that stuff. At the moment, he's always been around.
Heck yeah.
Down for the music. Heck of a businessman.
That's awesome.
Grind, go get it, you know.
Dope.
So
now you're just continuing to hustle and just push it.
Yeah,
get your music out there.
Explode, blow up.
So you produce, you make beats, you make music,
Yeah.
you mix, master, engineer, or?
Mix, master, engineer, write. I got mixtape out on SoundCloud, two mixtapes.
Dope. We'll drop some links down below.
Yeah, and then actually Spotify, iTunes, all you know.
Dope.
I got a couple songs, like 4 songs out on iTunes and Spotify. So what do you call it? The market, the
World Wide Web.
Yeah, so we can.
It's huge. You're good. What motivates you? What do you feel motivates you every day?
Life itself.
Life?
The breath I breathe, every step I take, motivation.
Yeah, totally.
Trying to get it done.
Totally.
Before I'm done.
You explain to me a little bit what you're going through, you know?
Okay, yeah.
You mentioned a little bit about it, and I'm sure that is a major part of your motivation every day.
Definitely, most definitely. It's been a major part of my motivation for most of the majority of my life. I'm on dialysis right now. Like, people have heard of Philly Freeway. He's a rapper, like what he's going through. But I've been through it before. I had a transplant when I was 18. On the verge of needing my next one, which I really don't want. I'm trying to fight for a bionic kidney. So me being on here trying to give the world some information about.
Yeah, shout out, give it a share. Let's get the story out there and just.
I need people to actually hoot and holler about the bio-artificial kidney project. So that's the biggest.
I'd love to. I'll definitely throw a link down there for that.
Because they're trying to. That'll actually help end kidney disease for a lot of people.
Yeah.
My kidneys got destroyed by a doctor when I was 2 years old, so I really didn't have a fight no matter. But he, my mom actually won a lawsuit because he kept on telling her she was crazy. Yeah. And I was fucked up. I almost died when I was 2. Boom. I beat that, and then and then last year. So
that's a huge part of your motivation today, just to keep hustling.
Huge, I got it, man. Yeah. I got 2 daughters. I got family to take care of. You know.
Straight up.
There's no lose in my mind, but as long as I'm taking another step and breathing, then I think I won. Yeah. I'm winning right now.
Absolutely.
You know what I'm saying? So, and people should know that. As long as you're here, my aunt died when she was 39. Yeah. And she left, my cousins, and it's crazy. But then when I seen that, it's like, dude, nothing stopped after that either. You know what I'm saying?
Straight up.
So I have to go really, really hard, especially even after that, like from my whole family.
Absolutely. My dad passed away when he was 46.
Yeah, see?
It's just too young, Too young. Straight up. We're not guaranteed a long time, So use the time that you have.
Every second counts. Every single second.
Straight up. What would you say this far in your career? What are a couple of your failures so far? Learning lessons. I feel we learn the most from our downtimes and our failures. So what do you feel is one of your biggest ones so far?
I would say actually probably having trust in the wrong people. Like there was business that went on, and that was actually part of my learning experience as a young man in the industry, money and everything else like that. But there's a lot of people who come around and try to take advantage of you.
Straight up.
And maybe I was blinded by cash or whatever it was, but I wasn't really seeing that fact. I was doing me. Yeah. But other people had their eye on whatever I had.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Or whatever they could get out of the situation.
Yeah. Did you feel? I feel like those are definitely trials and errors that we have to go through in order to learn our lessons and kind of keep our guard up a little bit and realize that our self-worth is valuable.
Exactly.
So those failures, what do you feel you learned from those, really?
Well, I learned that you gotta watch who you keep company with,
who you surround yourself with.
Exactly.
Straight up.
That can actually definitely make you or break you. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You know, or lead you down a long path there where you have to, you know what I'm saying? Like,
Absolutely.
Whatever.
One thing I really stress is like, I feel you're a product of the 5 people you most surround yourself with.
Most definitely.
Like your parents saying when you were young, if you hang out with losers, you're gonna be a loser, dude. Straight up. But my mythology, you know, what I think is like, if you literally surround yourself for 6 months with 5 millionaires, multi-millionaires, you might not be a millionaire, but you'll have the mindset and you'll be thinking like a millionaire. Yeah, you'd be.
Yeah. You would know what to recognize to get you the millions.
Exactly.
Really. Yeah.
So it's like all who you surround yourself with. So it's definitely huge. What would you say are some of your short-term goals?
Well, short-term goals, would be to I'm releasing an album with the artist Bob Taylor.
Dope.
Beat Flips.
Heck yeah. Shout out to Bob Taylor.
Bob Taylor. What's up, man? It's gonna go too. It's dope. And then D Money Johnson's releasing a single. Yeah. And that's gonna be on Beat Flips too. We're gonna market and push that for him.
Dope.
And then I got my project coming out. And it's yet to be named, but that's an album.
Dope.
So I'm gonna,
Stoked to see it.
Actually, I got a mixtape coming out too. Another one I'm working on. It's called Ricky Tiki Top. Anybody remembers that?
Ricky Tiki Top.
Ricky Tiki Top.
Boom. Got it.
Ricky Tiki.
So those are some of your short-term goals. What would you say some of your long-term goals would be? Maybe 5 to 10 years.
Get rich as fuck.
Get rich as fuck.
And then
be able to support your family and give them every opportunity they.
I just want my daughters to be G.
Yeah.
Be good. I want my daughters to be straight. Not have to worry about a dude or whatever. You know what I'm saying? Not have to depend on anybody except themselves and be able to open portals for them. I know Cash can do that. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, give them a freaking ambitious opportunity.
That's awesome. Heck yeah. What I've been starting to ask you this question. What do you feel is the meaning of life in your perception? To live life. What is to live life?
Well, I believe in the Bible only so much, and I'm religious. I believe in God, but the Bible says the point of life, or in life, you should live every day as if it were heaven. So you should make it heaven.
Straight up.
Every day in life should be the best day ever. So if you can create a good day, then you copy that day. Every day.
Heck yeah.
Whatever.
Love that.
You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm trying to make the best day ever and make that day happen consistently.
Straight up. Straight up. If you could say one thing to an artist, maybe a producer or an engineer, anything, what would you say to kind of inspire them?
Don't stop, don't quit, don't listen to nobody who has any fucking hate for you, bro.
Straight up.
That's it.
Love that.
Just believe in yourself 100%. Believe in yourself like you believe in God.
Straight up.
That's the case, you know what I'm saying?
Straight up. Really appreciate you coming on. Again, I'm Coast to Coast Studios, your host for Behind the Grams, where we jump into some of the stories and motivations and even some of the hardships that we go through life, chasing our dreams, and you just gotta stay hustling, you know? Just believe in yourself and just keep pushing.
Keep pushing, yeah.
Keep pushing.
It'll all work out if you keep pushing, for real.
Straight up. Follow the links below. Show him some love. He's got some amazing work out there, and support the movement on, again, what was it? With the kidney.
Oh yeah, Bioartificial Kidney Project.
Dope.
Dr. Roy Chavot from San Francisco State University and Dr. William Thistle from Vanderbilt University.
Okay.
They're working on some gnarly shit, so we should support them with everything we got.
Straight up, love it.
And